Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to add your password in Windows 11. If you have not created a password for your user account, then you can create it. Go to the menu, click on setting, click on accounts, click on your info. You have to find whether you have a local account or Microsoft account attached to your Windows 11. If you have a Microsoft account, then you can change your password from here by going to Microsoft account. But I have a local account, then go to the accounts, click on sign in options, click on password and then click on add. Now you have to create a new password. Create new password. Confirm it. You have to enter password hint. Click on next. Click on finish. It will create a password for your user account. Now you would be able to log in into your Windows 11 account by using your password. Now there is another quick way to add or change the password for your user account. Simply press Ctrl Alt Delete and then click on change a password. Now if you don't have a password, then create a new password and confirm it. If you already have a password, then you can change it from here. Like type old password, enter new password, confirm it. You can see our password has changed. Click on OK. So in this video we have seen how to add and change our password in Windows 11. If you like the video, then do like and subscribe my YouTube channel.